We're interrupting our special broadcast to get you breaking news that's coming in of a train mishap in Maharashtra's Jalgaon, where a train has run over passengers of another train who had stepped onto the tracks after reports suggested that there was some sort of mishap on board that train. We understand that the chain was pulled, which means essentially the emergency brake was pulled in this train, leading to passengers jumping off without looking onto the tracks. And they were immediately run over by another passing train. This has happened in Maharashtra's Jalgaon district. And we understand that the passengers who jumped out from the Pushpak Express, unfortunately, were run over by another train. There was some sort of rumor that spread that there was a fire on board the train, which is why there was a sense of panic among these passengers who then jumped out onto the tracks. Now, the information we have is that 6 people have been feared injured in this particular incident, but we fear that there could be casualties. Looking at the details that are emerging, we're still awaiting official information on the same, an official number, but tragic incident being reported right now from Maharashtra's Jalgaon, where you had passengers on board the Pushpak Express jumping off, believing that there was some fire incident on board the train. And believing they were unsafe, they jumped off the train onto the tracks without looking. And so another speeding train coming on those tracks rammed into them. Now, we're yet to get details right now about the casualties. We know that operations are underway to help all these passengers on the spot. We're going to connect with our reporters to get you the latest update. Horrifying images coming in from that spot where this tragedy has taken place. At this point, what we can tell you is that 6 people are injured. We don't know just yet if there have been any casualties. So these passengers were on board the Pushpak Express, and the Bengaluru Express was coming on the other side, which then rammed into them full speed, which is why they didn't stand a chance. Essentially, you can see the kind of images coming in. We don't really want to talk about casualties at this point because there's no official number that's come in just yet, but heartbreaking images really from that spot in Jalgaon in Maharashtra. Sahil Joshi is joining us with more details on this. Sahil, any details that have come in from the authorities on casualties? Images coming in extremely worrying, extremely concerning, seems to suggest that unfortunately there could be casualties in this incident.
Well, there is a possibility of casualties at this point of time. The initial estimate by the local authorities is almost 7 to 8 people who might have been crushed by the train which was coming from the opposite side. That is, they were hit by the Bengaluru Express. The incident happened due to the chaos erupted at Parthoda in Pachora Tehsil. The passengers in the Pushpak Express, which was going from Lucknow to Mumbai, jumped off the train due to the rumor of a fire, and the panic-stricken passengers believed that the train was ablaze, and because of that they jumped out of the train. They tried to exit the compartment, and while doing that, in the commotion, stampede-like situation occurred, and the situation worsened when these passengers were actually hit by the Bengaluru Express, which was approaching on an adjacent track. So that is why the situation is right now is not very clear that how exactly things have happened. But at the same time, the local administration is right now on the ground. They are also trying to solve the situation as early as possible. Secondly, what we are also hearing is that in the all probabilities there is a possibility that the rest of the train was immediately stopped, and because of that, the casualty number is not very high at this point of time, is what we can see.
We're getting some information, Sahil, if you can confirm that for us, that there are reports that about 7 to 10 passengers are feared dead in this incident. What led to passengers actually jumping off the Pushpak Express was some sparking that was reported in fact, one of the coaches. That's why the train was stopped. And hearing some reports of a spark thinking it was a fire. Many of these passengers jumped out, and without looking at really the tracks, they jumped out onto it and got hit by a speeding train. Reports suggesting right now, Sahil, that the casualties count could be somewhere between 7 to 10.
That is what exactly is what we are hearing at this point of time. 12 people have been admitted to the hospital. Is what is the initial information. 12 people have been admitted to the Pachora hospital, which is a close by station. The incident happened at bogie number 4. That is where there was a rumor. There was a spark inside that bogie number 4. Because of that, the train was stopped. And due to fear, after train was stopped, the passengers from bogie number 4 tried to exit in a hurried way. The train, which was passing from the adjacent tracks, actually hit some of the passengers. Is what we are hearing. So because of that, the casualties can be around between 7 to 10. The people who were hit by the train passing from the adjacent platform, and that's how the situation is worsened at this point of time. The visuals, if you can see, can be clearly seen that some people were actually hit by the train, and they were lying near the track. Some other visuals, we can see that the train is stopped, and some people have been taken down and been taken to the nearby hospitals. Is also what we can see. People were trying to jump from the train. They picked up whatever they had in their hand and tried to run out of the train. The local villagers from the nearby villages first reached there as early as possible, and then accordingly we can count the bodies. Actually, there are at least 5 to 6 bodies lying just adjacent to the tracks who were hit by the passing train. Just besides that particular track, the Pushpak Express. The other train was passing on the opposite side, and that's how things have got worsened at this point of time.
Okay, unfortunate news coming in of a possibility of about 8 to 10 casualties in this particular incident of passengers who jumped off that train, which had been stopped with someone pulling the chain because of sparking being reported in one of the coaches. It triggered widespread panic. People jumped out of their coaches onto the train tracks, fearing that there was a fire in the train, thinking that they wanted to save their lives. In a panic, they jumped out. Unfortunately, you had another passing train immediately ramming into them. 8 to 10 passengers feared dead. The exact number is awaited once officials reach the spot. We understand that right now the local teams who are there are putting their focus understandably on all possible rescue and relief operations. And post that, really, in the next few minutes, we should have a confirmation on the casualty count. There are several who are also injured, about 8 people or more who are injured in this incident, who are being rushed to a local hospital to get the necessary medical aid, medical care as well. Unfortunate tragedy that's played out in Jalgaon, where 2 trains, essentially, one was stationed because someone had pulled the emergency brake. The chain that we're also familiar with in these trains was pulled because of some sparking. It led to a rumor spreading on board the train that there's a fire that's broken out. And tragically, all of these passengers who jumped out believing they would be safer on the tracks almost immediately were either injured or died because of a passing train coming full speed and ramming into them. Horrifying images are also coming in from the spot there, where you can see all of the casualties lying, some motionless bodies, others injured. And we understand that right now also help has reached them. Some officials are at the spot who are now taking those injured to the hospital as well.